Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lasertec from diemji모리코리아. I am in Formnext 2022 in Frankfurt, Germany. I have great expectation to see what is inside of the exhibition. They all must be new idea, attractive, amazing, powerful, disruptive. They all must be challenging items and 3D printed goods. I am focusing on metal additive manufacturing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go together and see what is inside. Okay, let's go.
Ja, genau. Und mal kurz Laser.
Zu zeigen, was kann man machen. Wie wird es eigentlich relativ gemacht. Aber da hat man das eine Mal schon ziemlich schnell. Das bedeutet auch mit Einfahren, so das erste Bauteil auf die.
Hello, Frida.
Hello, Jom.
Yeah, hello.
Good to see you,
Yes.
Jom.
This is the very beginning of the Formnext 2022.
Yes.
What are you presenting here?
Yeah, we have a couple of novelties, like always. We have our Lasertec 30 dual SLM with the two lasers, with a new series 80 micron spot, and then we focus on the process chain. That means we show the SLM process and directly the machining on a 5-axis milling machine with a 0-point clamping going from one machine to the other.
Okay, thank you.
And, my expectation from the Formnext, this is the leading exhibition for 3D and for additive manufacturing in the world. So after COVID, this is the first year. Last year was still infected, problems with the COVID. So I'm sure we will have a lot of international guests. We have had today already Japanese customers, American customers, and so I'm sure we will have a very international audience here.
Say hello to Korean people.
Yes, and I look forward to meet many Koreans, either here or in Korea. Hello, everybody.
Frida, thank you, Frida, and
Yeah.
thank you for watching. Bye bye.
My pleasure. Take
Bye,
care.
bye.